Hey everybody, corn-fed lady here, and today I'm going to take you around and show you some of the damage from the storms last night. And we were getting up to 70-mile-an-hour winds, and some of those were pretty well sustained for a couple of hours. So let's go check on all the animals first, and then I'll show you some of the damage that we sustained. Good morning. Did you make it through the storm? Hi. Go check on your friends? The backyard flock had it the easiest because they're in this big old barn and it's pretty sturdy. You guys want to play outside? Okay. Did you make it through the night? All right. Go check on the bunnies. That's good, Dickens. Doing okay? That's good boy, Moo Moo. Hey, Eggie. Fancy feet. Tang, Sammy Sams. Good morning. Did you make it through the night? That's my bunnies, huh? Hi. Did you make it through the night, Beebs? Are you okay in there, Midnight? Hey, Beebers. Did they make it through the night? That's my cute little Beebs. Did they make it through the night, Beebs? Was that storm scaring you? She was up there on the top of her box last night looking nervous as could be. Hi, Mr. McFeely. Him was pretty nervous too, weren't you? Were you pretty nervous? Yeah, were you? Good morning. Did you guys make it through the storm too? Yeah. Good boy, Chunky Bunny. Pinky and the Brain's okay? That was a scary night, wasn't it, Chunky? Huh? Was that a scary night last night, Chunks? There was a bunch of wind and rain trying to blow in through here because it was all coming from the north, which it doesn't usually. Come on, Chunks. It's okay. Storms are all gone now, buddy. Yes. I say storms are all gone. Good morning, Brains. Did you make it through the storms last night? That's a good girl, aren't you? You eating that little piece of hay? Yeah. Did you have a good night? Did you? That's a good girl. That's a good girl. Yes. Some fresh hay? Here you go, Brains. was a scary storm, wasn't it? Yeah, that's okay. That's a good girl, Brains. Storm's all gone. You can have a nice day today, okay? While we're cleaning up from yesterday's storms, yes. That's a good girl. You're letting me pet you a lot this morning. You must have been really scared last night, huh? You need some comforting? Aw, you don't usually need a bunch of pets, Brains. It was that scary? Aw, I'm sorry. I'm sorry it was scary. It's a new day. That's good, girl. So you can see some of the shingles blew off our roof. Also ripped the downspout of our gutter system and the black tubing off. They're in the garage. You see where this fence was blown that way. And all of the vines on the arch were blown that way. You see where the arch is bare up here, and it's hanging off the back end on the other side. Right here. And the plastic for our greenhouse is gone. Probably in the next county over. I don't see it anywhere over there blown up against the fence line. And the winds were coming from this direction. So it's probably over at that neighbor a couple of miles away. Just destroyed. That's okay. At least we didn't have any plants or starts or sprouts in there, so it's okay. Well, that's gonna need fixed too. There's another fence line that got blown over. New bore area. There's a bunch of sticks down everywhere, which is good for firewood, but not good for walking around without tripping. So you gotta do a bunch of stick cleanup. Some of these are pretty big sticks, like this one. And this one. You got these big old trees. And they dropped some really big branches last night. And got some of those parts that blew off the house in the garage. We collected them last night while the wind was still blowing. So there's all the gutter pieces that came off the back. I don't see the black tube. It must have got blown into the neighbor's yard too. There's some more shingles. All this was blown off the house last night. So even though we did sustain a little damage on our homestead, everybody's safe and healthy, and that's what really matters. So we got a big day ahead of us, lots of cleaning up and lots of repairs. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.